Up for sale, 1955 Bel Air. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 55 Bel Air, finished in maroon and charcoal with matching interior. 350 crate motor, 700 R4 automatic, 10-bolt rear, power steering, power front disc brakes, vintage AC, and as always, go around it, tell you everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. Of course, we will start here in the front as always. It was restored 6 to 8 years ago. Paint, interior, mechanics, all that good stuff. Let's just focus now right on the chrome bumper here, which is, you see that. Other than some light like towel marks, it's actually very nice. Same thing with your grille, your bezels, whatnot in the front section here. Your classic plain. Really, really nice paint. And not too many blemishes on it, of course. You know, well maintained, well taken care of, and pretty recent. Nice and straight body. The fitment is nice. I mean, very impressive. I see a little touch-up right there. I have a couple cans of touch-up paint for it that go along with it because it's a pretty specific color. Hood lines up very nice on both sides. You see that? It has a nice tinted glass. And just wait till you see the engine here. Crate motor. It's got a ceramic intake, powder coated intake. Is that Edelbrock? Yeah, Edelbrock carb. Sanderson headers, which are actually an expensive set. They're $500 for the pair, which goes into a wrapping right there to keep the mini starter, you know, away from the heat. Suspension is redone. Here's your AC, aluminum radiator. And I like all the billet in the chrome. It's a very nice look, expensive look. This looks great. This looks nice. The Power Master alternator. This expensive bracket there. You see power steering. You see, you know, new suspension components in the front as well. Another thing, how nice the firewall is painted. Even the inner fender wells. I mean, even the bolts are new. The bolts weren't just painted over. A little extra vacuum as well, because it's a strong motor, and paired with the overdrive trans, really nice on the highway. The 10-bolt has a highway gear in it. The AC blows cold. Electric fan as well. It's got a painless wiring harness. And even the underhood, I mean, look at that. Sometimes they'll just shoot it black, but they shot a body color. And turnkey, I mean, really turnkey. Nice lope to it. Anyway, I'll get back to the interior in just a little bit. It's got radial tires, rally wheels. See a little nick down there, which is probably common. That door lines up nice. Door lines up to the rocker nice, as well as to the quarter. And no cracks in the glass. This all looks to have been replaced. Your seal is also newer. Tinted glass here, like a nice black. A little smoky look, I like that. Nice finish in there as you want to see. I see a little scuff. I bet that could be buffed out, but just a little thing right there. Other than the handprints, Really nice fitment there. No bubbles on the car, of course. Nothing coming through. The finish all the way down is the way you want it, smooth. There's no orange peel as you go down. Another nice thing, they didn't paint over the bolts. Nice metal in here as well. It's not all bondoed up. New weather stripping as well. Door panel is new, and I like that like wrinkled gray. It's the same for the armrest, which I like. Same for the seats, even for the little, you know, console, which you could take right out if you don't like it. But that matches nicely. You see nice finish in here. A little bit smaller steering wheel. You got a tack, tilt column, low car shifter. And again, paint on the dash is really nice. That gray, which is the paint on the outside. A few added gauges down here. All the gauges work though. AC works. It works out of the original controls. Aftermarket radio, and I love how they put it in, keeping that, you know, nice dash trim rather than chopping anything up. And I mean, the seats show little use, if that. I mean, no rips, no tears, no wrinkles, no dirt. You know, they get dirty after a while. This does not have that. Same material on the headliner, which I really love. And then let me move this over to get in the back. Back seat, same material. Door panels look fantastic on both sides. I mean, this is really nice. Your back deck with the speakers cut in, and the package tray with the same material. And then they went for shoulder strap seat belts, which I like that little modification, a little more up to date. Give me 1 second, I'd like to refocus my camera. Okay. And again, smooth finish all the way down. No bubbles. And I mean, if you could feel how smooth this is, really impressive. I have 3 pieces of chrome for it. I don't know why he said he just had them. I have this section, and I have 2 of these. Those are included. And again, to give you an idea of how recent the paint is, normally, you know, you over slam it and they get chipped in this corner. There's no chips on either side. None here either. These have been replaced. The lights have been replaced. Trunk is custom fitted as well with the same material. One covering where the battery goes, one covering where the spare will go. Gray carpet. Back out a little bit. And I think this is kind of neat. Little secret storage area. I thought that was a nice touch. But you can see how nice the finish is in here too. Look at that. On both sides. You see the stamp? Oh, I just hit my head. Oh my God. The stamping there on the quarter. Oh. Okay. All right. We're good. We're good. Again, all the way down. Smooth as silk. Even the finish, you know, where the bumper goes, whatnot. That finish even in here is so smooth. And again, that finish all the way down to that corner in there. Sometimes, you know, it'll be a little ripply, depending on how much money they want to save, but this is really nice. That contour, that line, you see that all the way through and down. And then I see Two little marks right there, and a little one right there. He did have a wife. I assume they drove it together, which means somebody did get in and out of the passenger side now and then. Really nice there as well. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you'd like to check it out, let us know. 55 Bel Air, finished in maroon and charcoal with matching interior. 350 crate motor, 700 R4 automatic, power steering, power front disc brakes, AC, tilt, 10 bolt rear. With just having a 10 bolt alone, I love. See a little imperfection right there, and then I notice right here a couple little zits, but that's the only spot I've seen that. But anyway, we are going to fire it up now and let it dry, or let you hear it run, and then get in and drive it. And yeah, thank you for watching, and here we go. Yep. headliner is the same material as the rest of the interior? And the visors?
Same design, yeah.
Yeah.